Hi, I'm Chance Martin with Faithway Alliance, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. By the time March rolls around, you're probably itching to get your hands back in the dirt. Even though there are still some frosty nights in store for the next 30 plus days, here are some tips and ideas getting your flower bed started this year. Bring some color into your life by planting cool season annuals like pansies, primroses, sweet peas, and snapdragons. When you start to see new growth on existing perennials, give them a good dose of plant food to help your plants grow strong. You will also want to remove dead blooms from these annuals to maximize flowering potential all season long to keep them good and healthy. To keep your beds going throughout summer, plant bulbs such as lilies and gladiolas to keep blooms appearing. Keep in mind weeds do occur in bulb beds. It is important not to remove them by cultivation, but pull them by hand so the bulbs and roots won't be disturbed. To help stifle weed growth, cover your beds with 2 to 3 inches of mulch. This layer will not only control your weed population, but will also keep your soil moist during the summer's hot, dry weather. In the meantime, if the temperatures drop below freezing in the early spring, to cover your plants at night with a sheet, light blanket, or a grow cloth. While it is important not to rush into gardening too early, remember that it's important to plan out your flower beds and it's never too early to gather your materials. Grab a friend and stop by your local co-op to explore our options for all your gardening supplies. And remember, anyone can shop co-op. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.